open Instagram and then simply go to upload your post. Now from here, as you can see, I have this image, and on the left side we have these two arrows. So if I tap on them, as you can see, it will create this square image. But let's say we want to upload more photos, a carousel. So if we select all of them, as you can see, this option isn't available anymore. That's because we have to simply tap on next in the top right corner, and at the bottom on the left side of the first image we have this little square. So if we tap on it, we can choose portrait or square, and as you can see, both of these photos will be in this will have this aspect ratio. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.